Golden, flaky cod, tangled in a bed of crispy matchstick potatoes, with eggs so silky they melt on the tongue. This is Bacalhau e Braz, one of Portugal's most comforting and iconic dishes. But behind this delicious classic lies a story full of tradition, secrets, and centuries-old flavor. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of Bacalhau e Braz and some surprising facts you probably didn't know. First, what is Bacalhau e Braz? It's a soulful mix of shredded salt cod, finely cut fried potatoes, scrambled eggs, onions, parsley, and black olives. But here's the twist: the cod used is not fresh, but salted and dried. This preservation method dates back to Portugal's Age of Discovery, when fish needed to survive months at sea. Portugal's obsession with bacalhau began in the 15th century. Portuguese sailors brought back cod from the icy waters of Newfoundland, and over time, it became a national staple. Today, there are said to be over 365 different bacalhau recipes, one for each day of the year. What makes Bacalhau e Braz special is its simplicity and texture. The matchstick potatoes, known as batata palha, create a crispy contrast to the soft eggs. Traditionally, the dish is cooked in just one pan, allowing the ingredients to blend into a creamy, hearty mix. The dish is believed to have originated in Lisbon's Bairro Alto district in the 19th century, and it's named after the man who supposedly invented it, a tavern owner named Braz or Braz, depending on the spelling. He combined leftover cod with potatoes and eggs, creating a dish that quickly spread across Portugal. Today, Bacalhau e Braz has many regional twists. In the Azores, some versions add red peppers or garlic. In the Algarve, locals might serve it with extra olives or spicy piri-piri sauce. Yet the heart of the dish remains the same: humble ingredients, elevated by tradition. For many Portuguese families, Bacalhau e Braz is more than food. It's a memory. It's often served during Easter, Christmas Eve, or lazy Sunday lunches. Its popularity even led to frozen, ready-made versions appearing in supermarkets across Portugal. One little-known fact? In traditional homes, soaking the salted cod correctly is an art form. It can take up to 3 days, changing the water several times to remove just enough salt without losing flavor. Too soon, it's salty. Too long, it's bland. Bacalhau isn't native to Portugal, although it's now a cornerstone of Portuguese cuisine. Cod, bacalhau, is not caught in Portuguese waters. The original fish came from the cold North Atlantic, particularly from regions like Norway, Newfoundland, Canada, and Iceland. Portuguese sailors learned to salt and dry the cod to preserve it for long voyages. Salted cod was once a strategic military supply during the Estado Novo dictatorship, 1933 to 1974. Portugal encouraged the consumption of bacalhau as a symbol of national pride and stocked it for military and naval provisions. It was affordable, storable, and nutritious, making it essential for both the army and poor communities. The secret to its texture is not just the egg. The timing of when the eggs are added during cooking is critical. For authentic e Braz, the eggs should be barely set, more like a velvety scramble than fully cooked. Some chefs even finish the dish off the heat, letting the residual warmth gently cook the eggs. The Braz technique is now used in other dishes. The e Braz style, shredded protein mixed with thin fried potatoes and scrambled egg, has inspired countless variations. You'll now find dishes like frango e Braz, chicken, alheira e Braz, garlic sausage, and even vegetarian versions using mushrooms or jackfruit. It's a benchmark for Portuguese home cooks in Portugal. Bacalhau à Brás is considered a test of skill for home cooks. Getting the cod properly soaked, the potatoes crispy but not greasy, and the eggs creamy without being runny requires patience and precision. You can buy the potatoes ready-made in Portugal because slicing potatoes into fine matchsticks is time-consuming. Many Portuguese use pre-packaged batata palha, shoestring fries, sold in grocery stores. It's one of the few convenience foods widely accepted in traditional kitchens. Its first printed appearance was quite late despite being widely eaten since the 19th century. Bacalhau à Brás only appeared in print much later than other bacalhau recipes. Some food historians believe it remained a local, oral tradition until it spread more broadly in the 20th century. It pairs perfectly with specific wine sommelier tip. Bacalhau à Brás pairs especially well with a crisp vinho verde, young Portuguese white wine, or a light Dow red, balancing the saltiness of the cod and the richness of the eggs. There's debate over the correct type of olive. Some cooks insist on black olives, others on oil-cured purple olives. The traditionalists prefer olives with a slightly bitter edge, which helps cut through the richness of the dish. A small but passionately debated detail in some families. It has a global fanbase, especially in Brazil and Macau thanks to Portuguese colonization. Bacalhau à Brás and similar salt cod dishes became staples in former territories like Brazil, Angola, Cape Verde, and Macau. In these places, you'll find localized versions using local spices and ingredients. From taverns in Lisbon to kitchens across the Atlantic, Bacalhau à Brás remains a shining symbol of Portugal's culinary soul. It's proof that with simple ingredients and a bit of history, you can create something truly unforgettable.